Apple is introducing the faster, more powerful iPad Air with the M3 chip and built for Apple Intelligence. The 11-inch iPad Air starts at $549 and the 13-inch model starts at $749. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. iPad Air with M3 brings Apple's advanced graphics architecture to iPad Air for the first time, taking its incredible combination of power, efficient performance, and portability to a new level. iPad Air with M3 is nearly 2x faster compared to iPad Air with M1 and up to 3.5x faster than iPad Air with A14 Bionic. Users will feel the speed of M3 in everything they do, from creating engaging content faster than ever to playing demanding, graphics-intensive games. Available in two sizes. The 11-inch iPad Air is a super portable while on the go, and the 13-inch model provides an even larger display. For more room to be creative and productive. Designed for iPad Air, the new Magic Keyboard enhances its versatility and delivers more capabilities at the lower price. With iPad OS 18, support for Apple Intelligence, advanced cameras, fast wireless 5G connectivity, and compatibility with Apple Pencil Pro and Apple Pencil USB-C. The new iPad Air offers an unrivaled experience. iPad is so popular because of its unmatched combination of powerful performance, portability, and support for advanced accessories, all at an affordable price. iPad Air with M3, Apple Intelligence, and new Magic Keyboard take versatility and value of the next level. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.